this going to be the day that you roll over, Mr. Jonah? You are almost there. Oh, you are so close to rolling over. Are you going to roll over? Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so close. Well, it's April 4th. It's Friday. Oh my goodness. Are we going to do this? Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Say hi to your brother over here. Hey, Mr. Matthew. Hello, Matthew Love. Are you still checking out Mr. Octopus? Octo the Octopus?